Okay. Okay, I'm sorry. Let me see you draw another face. There's one eye, two eyes. Good job. The nose. Where's the smile? Good job.
The nose.
Oh, the nose? Oh, ears, maybe. Are you done? You gonna draw some hair, maybe? Good job. That's pretty hair. Who is that?
That's the little Grandma.
You want to show Grandma? Okay, let's show her. Say, look, Grandma.